guys and welcome to the vlog. I think Mondays जो है ना वो मेरे अब favorite day हो गए हैं vlog करने के लिए because I just feel like I have so much energy and I just feel so productive, and part of being productive obviously is filming these vlogs, because if you're feeling lazy you will not be able to vlog. Anyway, before I tell you what I'm doing today, I want to tell you guys what I did yesterday. So basically, a friend of mine asked me to be in his YouTube video, and he wanted to talk about my move to Germany and like my experience. And I know I get a lot of questions about it, so I thought कि ठीक है, it would be interesting to do this video with him. His channel is called Shahnama and the video is already on his channel. I will link it below in case you are moving to Germany or just want to know more about moving to Germany or any other country. I think this would be very interesting. I also tried to vlog a little yesterday, but honestly, I mean, I wanted to focus on his video, and then something you will not see in the footage is कि हमारे और भी friends वहाँ पे थे, तो हंस रहे थे, मजाक कर रहे थे, but vlog करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. But I do have some clips which I will insert now. Hi guys, so today I am filming a video with my friend Shah. You want to say hi? This is Shah. I will link his channel down below. So we're making a video today. Film खेलने लगी थी in a hotel, and our friend who is acting as director is getting the shot ready. I actually have no clue कि मैंने last clip क्या film किया है, and like what I've told you guys about the day and what I haven't. But now I'm just sitting down for lunch. My sabzi is ready. मैंने आलू और zucchini बनाया है instant pot में, the way that you would make aloo tori, I guess. Except I didn't add any oil. And there's a lot of controversy around कि zucchini की उर्दू क्या होती है. I posted on Instagram and I'm getting such funny replies and all completely different. So we'll just call it aloo zucchini. I'm waiting for my bulgur to get ready. Bulgur, if you don't know, is like a wheat, I guess like a unprocessed form of wheat. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's something जो Turkey में मैंने पहली दफ़ा खाई थी, and I love it so much. I know it's Spanish खानों में भी एक दो दफ़ा मैंने देखा हुआ है, and I really enjoy eating it. So sometimes I will have that, sometimes I will have quinoa, sometimes I will have rice, sometimes I will have parathas. Whatever I feel like having. Today I feel like having bulgur, तो वो उबल रहा है अभी. So after lunch I will do some writing. I am working on a potentially exciting writing project. I don't know what will come out of it. For those that don't know, I really enjoy writing, and on and off I do freelance writing whenever I get the chance and whenever I feel like it. And this is a very big thing that I am writing, but it also means there's like chances that this will not work out or whatever. And the problem with writing is you really have to like be inspired and be in the mood to write. Like I mean, अगर मैं सुबह 9 बजे बैठूँ और 9 से 5 मैं अपने आप को deadline दूँ, that will not work, because I will not be motivated every single day to write in those hours. I think my food's ready. I will be back. After I finish lunch, I will go back to my writing. I will try to write, but I'm very distracted today. I feel like I have so much energy today, and I just want to be out of the house and like be doing physical things. I already did a workout in the morning, which is very, very rare, and I never do that. So I'm thinking कि मैं लिखने की कोशिश करूँगी. If I'm able to write, great. If not, I have to go to the dentist, and after that I will treat myself to some shopping, because I hate going to the dentist. I used to have braces, and like 5-6 साल braces लगे रहे थे, so going to the dentist was something I had to do all the time, and it was never fun, and it was always painful, and I just don't like going to the dentist anymore. Appointment is over. पीछे कोई match चल रहा है. And I don't know why I was making plans to go shopping when I have a video to film today. So it's almost 6. I was planning to be done with filming by 7:30. It's an outdoor video, तो दिन में हो नहीं सकती, बहुत गर्मी होती है. So I thought the footballers were kissing. So I'm just running home now to change. Actually, I'm going to keep the same outfit. We'll just get dressed for the video. Oh, I need something for the video. Okay, bye. नहीं, मेरी बेइज्जती होनी थी अगर मैं वीडियो बनाने के लिए पहुंच जाती और मेरे पास ये ना होता. I basically needed this coffee because we work with Nescafe, and that's the video that I'm filming. And it would be very embarrassing to not actually have the product and just be ready for the video. jumpsuits are great, but we all know कि इनके साथ एक बहुत बड़ा problem होता है, which obviously is the ability to use the public toilet because it's been a few hours since I last saw you guys. अभी खाना खाया है, like dinner, रात के 9 बज रहे हैं, which I know you can't tell. Now I am just going out for a walk. I felt like I needed to just, like I said earlier as well, I have so much energy today and I just need to burn it off. And I could honestly also do with some ice cream, so I'm gonna look for some ice cream. Right as I was entering, वो ice cream shop वाले अपनी कुंडियाँ लगा रहे थे, so they were like, sorry, can't do today, which is fine because I mean it's very late for, you know, German standards to be having like anything, I suppose. Even the cafe is closed down here at 6, max 7, मतलब 6 भी late है. तो हमें गली में जो बेस्ट कैफ़े है वो 4 बजे बंद हो जाता है, संडे सैटरडे खुलता ही नहीं है. Anyway, I wanted to also have a chat with you guys. This is a really funny angle. Okay, I think this is better. So on my stories last week, I spoke about, you know, this dilemma of being a certain age and having a pressure to have kids from a social point of view, but then also like biologically, a lot of doctors do say कि आपकी एक biological clock होती है and blah blah blah. And then of course if you don't want kids, I guess it's simpler because then it doesn't matter what your biological clock is like and you can ignore it. But if you do, which I definitely do, then it's a very strange dilemma because, you know, you don't feel ready and at the same time you feel like, why am I not ready? It's a very confusing situation, and I know I'm not the only one because even in like the women that I am close to, and like I said in my stories as well, like मेरे इर्द गिर्द किसी के भी people who are my age बच्चे नहीं हैं. So my cousins do have kids, but they're all older, and all the ones who are my age don't have kids, and we do sometimes discuss like what's wrong with us. Why don't, you know, why are we not ready? Why are we ourselves kids? But then so many other women जिनको मैं जानती भी नहीं हूँ, कोई connection भी नहीं है, you know, they message to say the same thing, that we feel exactly this way, that yes, well, some said we don't want kids, which is fine, but so many said we do want kids. We do feel there's a maternal side to us, we just don't want them now. And it's so complicated because firstly it's so hard to explain to anyone, especially from older generations, कि ऐसा क्यों है और हमें क्यों, why don't you want kids now? And it sounds like a very selfish thing to a lot of people. And the other thing is, it's also very like, it makes you feel very alone and isolated, especially अगर आपके इर्द गिर्द कोई ऐसे लोग ना हो जिनसे आप ये बात कर सकें. And one of the reasons I started these videos was ताकि हम इस तरह की बातें जो जनरली हमारे माशरे में नहीं होती वो मैं भी कर सकूं, और वो लोग जो वो बातें सुनना चाहते हैं और उनको, you know, they don't have a support system, वो भी सुन सकें. And of course they can, you know, leave comments and find like a solidarity. So that's kind of why I'm saying this. There's no I don't have an answer honestly. If I did, it would be great. How to not make yourself how don't question yourself, I think, because, well, I always knew I wanted kids, and now that I'm almost 29, and I keep getting told that this is the time, because बाद में एनर्जी नहीं रहती या एग्स ही नहीं रहते जो भी. तो I keep questioning myself like, okay, how long am I going to wait? Because every year it's like, okay, maybe next year I will think about it. That's what I tell myself, honestly. And it's come down to this, where I am telling myself at 29 that at 30 I will think about it, which is something as a teenager I never imagined. I thought, okay, 25, 26 I'll maybe have a kid. So there's a lot of complications, I think, emotionally. अगर तो आपके कोई और logistical issues हैं, financial issues हैं, you know, you want to change your circumstances, your relationship is rocky, वो शायद वो भी बहुत valid reasons हैं, मगर वो शायद खुद को समझाना आसान हो कि, you know, we don't have the money for it, या अभी हमारा relationship इतना strong नहीं है, or if you're doing a degree, or if you have even a very hectic job, then it's easier to explain to yourself. I don't think we owe anyone else answers, but I also struggle to explain to myself why I feel the way that I feel. I wish I had an answer, guys. I don't. The only reason I'm telling you is because I think this should be a space where I am able to share how I feel in a society जहाँ पे हमें, I mean, the amount of women who messaged me, I was shocked क्योंकि हमारे society में आप कर ही नहीं सकते ना ये बातें, तो obviously as soon as they thought okay we can share with her, they did. And I just yeah, I'm just sharing it with you guys that this is how I feel. Maybe someone else feels similarly and they can just remind themselves that they're not alone. I wish I had answers, but I don't. I think I will end this vlog here just because I will be walking around in this neighborhood. This is the neighborhood I live in and I've shown you these streets 1001 times. मैं किसी नई जगह नहीं जा रही. So I don't even think I love doing those montage of street and music, but I'm not going anywhere new. You guys have seen the streets. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and bye.